Do you know how long dental implants last? Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Anderson, a board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeon at Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery in Peachtree City, Georgia. Today, we're tackling a very popular question that many of you may have. How long do dental implants last? If you're considering getting implants or already have them, stick around because I've got some valuable insights just for you. First, let's quickly refresh our memories on what dental implants actually are. Imagine small titanium posts acting like artificial tooth roots, securely anchored into your jawbone. They provide a solid foundation for replacing a single tooth, multiple teeth, or even all your teeth. But the big question is, how long can you expect them to last? Well, the answer isn't one size fits all, so let's break it down. On average, dental implants can last anywhere from 10 to 30 years, and some lucky individuals enjoy them for a lifetime. Can you believe that? Studies show that about 95% of dental implants remain successful after 10 years. But remember, individual factors play a huge role in their longevity. Now let's discuss what influences how long your dental implants will last. Here are the key players. Just like your natural teeth, implants need love and care. Make sure to brush, floss, and visit your dentist regularly to keep those implants happy and healthy. The health of your jawbone is crucial. If it's weak or has deteriorated, it can affect your implant stability. Sometimes, we might even perform a bone graft before placing an implant to ensure its success. Your habits do matter. Smoking, excessive drinking, and a poor diet can shorten the lifespan of your implants. If you're considering implants, think about making some positive lifestyle changes. Regular checkups are essential. Your doctor will monitor your implants and surrounding tissues to catch any issues before they escalate. Now let's get real about recognizing potential problems with your dental implants. Here are some signs to watch out for. If you feel persistent pain around the implant, it could signal an infection or other complications. Don't ignore this. If your implant feels loose, that's a red flag. Also, if your crown feels loose, that's a red flag. Contact your doctor right away. Loose implants or crowns can be a big problem, and we need to address it quickly. Swelling, redness, or bleeding in the gums around the implant needs attention. Early detection is key. So in a nutshell, dental implants are durable, long-lasting solution for missing teeth, with the potential to last decades. Here are some quick maintenance tips to keep your implants in peak condition. Brush and floss every day. Make it a habit. Use an antibacterial mouthwash to keep bacteria at bay. Schedule regular dental checkups to catch any issues early. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol to protect your implants. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a healthy, beautiful smile for years to come. Thanks for joining me today to explore the lifespan of dental implants. If you have questions, personal experiences, or tips of your own, drop them in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you.